What do you know about classroom observation? Classroom observation is a practice used both an initial and ongoing teacher training and in research on learning contexts. It consists of systematically and objectively recording what happens in the classroom to be able to study and interpret it later. A classroom observation is a formal or informal observation of teaching which is taking place in a classroom or other learning environment. Explain the process of classroom observation. Classroom observation depends on the purpose of the observation and the moment it is. There are two types of observation, but this will depend on the objective and the method are deductive and inductive. Each of these methods have an objective. It is essential to have a defined purpose for the observation, otherwise the process of systematization and analysis becomes cumbersome and not very useful. Therefore, the type of observation is necessarily adapted to the objective of the study and the contents. Based on El Salvador reality, how do you define classroom observation? What would you suggest to improve it? I think it is a good as it collects a lot of information. As I suggest assess research results insofar as they support considering new or different dimensions to assess the quality of learning. For example, the relation to cognitive variables. Consider it good to assess performance and safeguard simplicity to facilitate observation and tapping.